Halo rectangle solar wall light has become a fan favourite very quickly, and it's been constantly selling out. But there was one question that customers kept asking us, and that question is, do you sell this light in different sizes? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the brand new Halo rectangle wall lights in different sizes. Let's get into it. The Halo rectangle solar wall light now comes in 3 different sizes. We have the original height of 50 centimeters and the 2 new sizes, which are 30 centimeters in height and 80 centimeters in height. All 3 sizes are 7 centimeters wide. So let's open the box and have a look. So inside the box we have the instructions, the USB-C charging cable, the screws, and the light itself. These lights are super easy to set up. Just make sure you consider carefully where you want to place them before making any alterations to your wall or your fence. If these lights are installed in a poor location with little amounts of sunlight, then they may not perform to the best of their ability. To install this light, simply drill the holes into the wall or the fence and place the light gently over them. Be sure to have measured out the correct distance between the screws first before installing them. To maximise capacity, you can either charge this light via the USB for 3 hours, or you can leave the light out in direct sunlight for 10 to 12 hours. We recommend charging the light via the USB if it's winter or your first time using the light. You can switch between dual lighting settings by flipping the switch on the back of the light. You can choose between warm white or cool white lighting modes. The Halo wall light turns on automatically at dusk and gives you roughly 7 hours on a full charge. These lights are sleek, contemporary and offer 50 lumens of brightness. Let's compare the different sizes. This is the original light, which is 50 centimeters tall. Let's unbox the others so we can compare the heights. Here we have the smaller edition, which is 30 centimeters tall. As you can see, there's a big difference between the two. If you have less space available on your wall or garden fence, then the 30 centimeter option could be the perfect fit for you. And here we have the taller edition, which is 80 centimeters in height. On the left we have the 30 centimeter and on the right we have the 80 centimeter. As you can see, there's a big difference. If you have a higher fence or a higher wall, then this 80 centimeter edition is the perfect choice for you. So what do you think of these new sizes? To those of you who asked for them, we hope you enjoy them. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.